I would like to show you in this video how we can integrate Google's Cloud Vision API to your bot or any automation that you're trying to build. What you're looking at right here is a screen of our Scenario Studio, and we have actually just released a new plugin called Google Vision API. So using that, I think this is one of the fastest ways to integrate Google's Cloud Vision API to your system. So let me show you. So here is the Google's Cloud Vision API. So I'm going to just bring in this plugin to my automation pane right here. And then all you have to do is just fill out these parameters. So right here, our credential file, this is a license file that we get from Google. So let me just first grab this license file, and it's already there. And over here, you choose the functions you want from this AI-based computer vision: OCR, face recognition, labeling, landmark recognition, logo recognition, localized object recognition, and the dominant colors analysis. So I'm going to choose localized object here, and then over here you just have to put the image file. Let me just leave this blank for now because I have a way to do this later. And so over here, Google Vision API actually returns how the image file, showing how it analyzed the image. So I'm going to just store that into my result folder, and I have this result PNG. So I'm going to store that here, and also it's going to return the list of in this case localized objects that it detected in the form of CSV. So I'm going to give a CSV file here. Just choose this one, and then over here, this is just a variable for file path. So you have to kind of give a variable here. It's actually this part is required. So with that, I'm going to bring in two run programs to just display the result. So over here, again, Google Vision API gives me this image file. So I'm going to grab it and give to my run program operation. And over here, the second file I want is a text file. Yeah. So I grab it and give it to run program here. Now, I left the image file blank. The reason why I did that is that I wanted to make this interactive. So I'm going to bring in this drag and drop plugin to the top. And then this is just a Microsoft user password, and it's 1 character for me. And then I'm going to assign this variable again here. Well, this drag and drop plugin is going to open a pop-up window where you can just drag and drop your file, and it stores the file path of the image file to this variable. So with that, I just need to give the variable name here, right here. So it's done. Now, so the bot is done. So let me run this. Okay, Pam is preparing the plugins, making sure I have all the latest versions. Okay, now it started by giving me this pop-up window where I'm going to drop one of these pictures. So I'm going to grab this and just file drop right here. And then the picture is being sent to Google Vision API and being analyzed by this artificial intelligence, and I already have the result back. So as you can see, this is the image that the Google returned. This AI returned this image that showing these green boxes, what it detected on this picture. And this is the CSV file saying that it detected one woman, second woman, a wheelchair, a third woman, maybe this lady right here, and a person. Maybe he, because of his long hair, Google wasn't able to decide if it was a male or female. Anyway, person was detected with luggage and bags. So so that's this. So this is how easy and fast you can integrate the latest and greatest AI-based technology to your bot. And let me just go back to this a little bit. So our Stu, the Scenario Studio, has all these plugins, and they are all originally Python. And we have this SDK right here, ARGOS Bot SDK. And so once you have a Python code, you can actually use this SDK to convert that into a building block really easily. Google Vision API, we converted it in a matter of hours, less than 3 hours actually. And then you just make it available to your bot builders by putting that into a repository where the bot builders, the Stu, can have an access to, and it's going to show up on the in the toolbox where you can actually drag and drop, put the parameter, and integrate into your bot. Super simple, super easy, super fast. Okay, thanks for watching.